Welcome to Senior Care Savvy, where we share valuable insights and advice to help seniors maintain their health and well-being. As we age, our bodies undergo changes that require us to make adjustments to our diet and lifestyle. In this video, we'll be discussing some common dietary concerns that seniors face and how to address them. From caffeine and alcohol intake to consuming raw vegetables and meats, we'll cover a variety of topics to help you make informed decisions about what you eat. Let's get started. Although caffeine doesn't affect everyone, it can cause anxiety or jitteriness in some people. It may also increase heart rate and interfere with sleep. If you're trying to reduce your caffeine intake, do so gradually to avoid headaches, nausea, or vomiting. Switch to herbal tea, water, or decaf as substitutes. Some individuals refrain from consuming beans due to the digestive problems they cause, including bloating and abdominal discomfort. However, beans are rich in fiber, protein, and iron while being low in fat. To incorporate them into your diet, begin with a small serving a few times a week, or try taking a digestive enzyme available over the counter to alleviate gas. It may come as a surprise, but the foods you consume can influence the efficacy of your medications. Therefore, it's best to seek advice from your doctor or pharmacist regarding any dietary restrictions. If you're taking medicine for high blood pressure, anxiety, or insomnia, grapefruit juice can interact with your medication. You may still benefit from the vitamins and minerals in grapefruit by opting for other citrus fruits like limes and oranges. However, be cautious and read juice labels carefully since some may include grapefruit juice. While moderate drinking can have health benefits such as reducing the risk of heart attack and some types of strokes, it's important to note that as you age, alcohol may affect you differently even if you're used to having a glass of wine with dinner or a beer while watching TV. Alcohol disrupts sleep, raises blood pressure, and can even cause hypoglycemia in people with diabetes. Additionally, it can affect the way your medications work. To ensure your safety, it's best to talk to your doctor about your alcohol use. Fresh fruits are a great source of vitamins, fiber, and other essential nutrients. However, if you have difficulty chewing, it may be challenging to consume an apple a day. In this case, consider trying canned fruits with no added sugar or syrup, or eating softer fruits like berries, bananas, and melons. Another option is to blend your favorite fruits into a smoothie for easier consumption. As you age, you may experience difficulty digesting milk or dairy products. However, this doesn't necessarily mean that you have to give up all dairy and the calcium and protein they provide. Many people can tolerate small amounts of dairy with no stomach upset, and certain dairy products are better tolerated than others. For example, non-fat plain yogurt and low-fat cheeses are nutritious choices, or you could try lactose-free dairy products. For those with sensitive teeth or missing teeth, raw vegetables may be difficult to eat. However, it's important not to miss out on the vitamins and fiber that vegetables provide. Instead, try cooking vegetables until they are softer. You can also use pureed vegetables like carrots, pumpkins, and beets in soups or stews. Canned vegetables with no added salt are also a good option. Some of the healthiest cuts of meat, like lean steak, may be difficult to chew. Hamburger is easier to chew but may be less nutritious and contain a lot of fat. To get the best of both worlds, look for lean ground beef with no more than 10% fat. Fish is also an excellent source of protein and easier to chew. Clover, alfalfa, radish, and mung bean sprouts are nutrient-dense but can pose a health risk to seniors and those with weakened immune systems. Because sprouts are grown in warm, humid conditions, they are more likely to harbor bacteria. Cook sprouts thoroughly before eating to reduce the risk of illness. Cruciferous vegetables such as broccoli, cabbage, cauliflower, and kale are high in fiber, vitamin C and K, calcium, iron, and folate. They may also reduce the risk of cancer. However, some people avoid these vegetables due to their potential to cause gas. To incorporate these vegetables into your diet, start with smaller servings and gradually increase them over time. Drinking plenty of fluids can also help with digestion. Thank you for joining us for this discussion on common dietary concerns for seniors. It's important to stay informed about how your diet affects your health and well-being as you age. By making small adjustments and being mindful of what you consume, you can help maintain your overall health and quality of life. We hope you found these tips helpful, and we look forward to sharing more insights and advice with you in the future. Take care and stay healthy.